In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove a stock from Pi in Trading 212. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Pi, and then once you're inside your Pi where you have multiple stocks and the one where you'd like to basically add a stock to or remove it from, what you're going to have to do is you want to inside the Pi tap on those three dots at the very top right, as you can see, tap on these, and then you'll get two options. So the first one will be to import investments, and the second one will be to export investments. If you would like to add a stock to the Pi, tap on import investments, but if you would like to export it, so if you'd like to basically withdraw it or remove it from your Pi, you want to tap on export investments. So click whichever one you want, and then from here you will basically have to select the one you would like to add or remove. So tap on it and then tap next, and then select how much of it you would like. So you'll be able to select, of course, and then press confirm. And from here, you then simply have to just adjust these little sliders over here, and you can adjust them so you can basically add more or add less. And after you do that, press confirm, and just like this, you've successfully added or removed your stock from Pi in Trading 212. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.